Sompa top 10 countdown. Yenhwe platform back so ene de hye me kan say obi wo ha audio mark be kona enyum bi top ho Apple Music be kona enyum bi top ho nom ehwe ni nyina phone so nyuma obo TikTok kamu asori dem enyuma yete na pa na fe ya sorry so na ya the top 10 na fe ya count here free 10 no dey about one anything Sompa top 10 countdown na what we are the brand so man say we week number 31 of the year 2026. If I were week number 32 once a week in and day and I'm nyina be there dance as a weekend every Friday sabre ya kosi ni kosi da anwumre ye bon nyompa and a week in be end there I say you be start Monday nti no yentimi emfa week 32 no mpre wa bra and until week 31 and my G the bro na di koma no issue na o say da number 1 Mike no issue number 10 last week na opposition number 9 no issue
gradually or connection kakran
na say free and you know say about bro a bad race no na otwe akoma 36 and ye next I had I gina mu achepa and next week ye bana no issues ni mo ebe won
next week me crampon I don't wish to see it there because even though say it's a very nice song but rohe enyuma hodo I make waves na I think say next week say free mo enya me wanwa and no issues I think say they also we be an in the list from the top wa bass here kakran and more to the point nipa na enyom ye ne dia no e wa other songs I was raw and I think say sa enyom ne mum e be take it trend more than no issues no so next week I think say amamu anya me nwanwa kra
right and I say number 9 here then stranger Kwame Eugene Jackie last week na e won position number 8 position number 8 and na last week stranger no e wo na this week na no so drop it about position number 9 and ye be hwe de ni exchange position say ye kwe nim ni ye be hu enyuma na e wo number 9 okay say and any no issue no na enu mu 9
e wo 9
and about 10 we pin stranger no so aba a drop ya ba and say enyum bi e free down akosro okay nti edru ho no mu a ye be hu Jackie Kwame already adi kan bo nyom na ma obi atie nti when they di hu nkomo na fe ya sorry ko ye baby last week na no issue at that position number 8 this particular week or position number 9 and now it's number 8 near then
number 8 no I wish I had a girlfriend Reggie last minute and a beast trap this week number 8 last week
Sanyu we na was a confirm them wish
I had a girlfriend. To wish I had a girlfriend.
Confirm them be nearby.
Oh, me person me come chi but so be kaya. Hona
me kai. Last week na position number 10. It's not a room.
This was
the first time no. And I the room.
Until the second time this week.
The second time gradually. Until okosro this week position number 8. Then say then I was in position number 7.
Number 7 your Babylon Kiddy.
Okay.
It's Kiddy with Babylon last week.
I think they are maintaining the position. Last week no position number 7. This particular week 7. A race no mo no agina mu na watwe mako edunkuno 19 dunkuno
I think so it's a nice song.
Babylon but I mean yada anwom no sa person
ben shadam but who's a kid in Kwame Eugene Ayankrofobia you can't underestimate
I say no mo boy juma position number 6
a pop star
Black Sheriff
pop star.
Last week now position number 6 this week
we maintaining
the position e wo honom e ram no race no no weeks no mako 14 any pop star okay yanko the next position
number 5 no Black Stars Kofi Kinata
okay
for the week last week in Sonona order number 5 until on so maintaining
the position race no weeks no mako 8 weeks in here and the race no sanyo no the baby e da no me hu ni say o senkasa me aba 7 bi ka can the 8th position 17 na nke sanyo no na ye di nkomo assistance no e da so position number 5 only chart ya adwen.
Well, many charts ne ya adwen. Who say Kofi Kinata no produce timeless songs. Even though say World Cup not trend, but yes still no. I think say no the way see trendy, answer na trend no be wipe up completely. Ne be take it time kakra. So dropping from the top to number 5 na nyame ngwa. E be take it time pa answer na be free list no metime frame. Nti no in there no nyame ngwa.
Okay. Black Stars. Kofi Kinata. I maintain position number 5. Yango position number 4 na say nyume.
Yeah, a signature by Kiddy and Last Mate.
Sa nyume no dey met be see how can semento a. Met mato ba.
When you to na me to kakra na me ade.
Enyume no.
Aye.
O say enyume.
A signature Kiddy and Last Mate. Yeah.
Okay. Me kai am to.
So this is see me ka say
metal
and I am a beat.
Me va try. Mami beat.
Even be my beat na.
Mami beat.
Yeah,
o metal. Me ase enyume no me refi how I.
And yam pon no na wakai.
And me kai pe metal. Enti eno no ye signature.
Yeah, signature number 4. Last week in so na number 4.
I maintaining position.
Yeah.
Race no na watchma mako edu 10 weeks ni. Yanko the position number 3.
Number 3 give up and see. Na say side
now is inspire.
Very inspirational.
Una oka.
Me na make it. But if I'm baby so no say ya na because sometimes not all time but sometimes you need to give up and change your strategy.
Safi na wa join Jumadi now. We are Sompa top 10 countdown. Week number 31 of the year 2026. And I hear counted the amount. You might have born Ghana hapa o come o sorry them phone so apps are streaming you more so nyina radio so baby bia and I sony mo Ghana ha you might have born pa edu 10 and I hear count every 10 yeah the free 10s and I mark position number 3 give up and see Kimpaluta Sarkodie last week near that position number 3 this week is so I'm maintaining the position race no mono na watch makoma ko dunie and na edie ginim nti Sompa top 10 countdown Mark Yanko position number 2
enyumina ni say
Kakaliga now you say me a dancer
okay
minimal sorrow
okay but not there me am here me new achinye
minimal setu
me hu say wo sada but me new achinye
minimal setu me kase me sapa minimal sorrow
that could just be a man kwesi na the camera na to
so na say off air you record you na wa ba be Facebook or Sompa 106.5 if Accra wa bra mesa Accra na dey be call yanko teachima
minya wa he
Sompa 106.1 FM teachima Accra na me kan ye no numpa mu e be call Sompa 106.5 if Accra kwa hot bite any Dimitri mu
so we di panonesha o kapano na hwehwehwe sa
yeah
it's a hot and our bite
hot bite na ya nti kakalika
no nation number 2
one of these days me ba be ma kakalika dance by or them
I hope say next week Monday to Friday
Monday promise Monday live on Facebook
promise come person even so
promise no about with conditions.
What are the conditions?
Conditions back here say next week na kakalika that's so position number 2 me sa kakalika dance
na drop here
for more than 2 minutes or them drop it there minimum
drop here honye and the mom we list
kakalika dance next week and you kakalika or Sompa top 10 countdown chart no and maintaining the position never be kakalika Akosra and messa the following day mess answer.
Okay.
Bajoy.
And yet if we the mon platforms in a stream my you now
say me messantino.
Of course, say because I
hope the downfall.
Oh the booze are Sunday efe.
I say me master be ofe.
Ore Hussein who be
me master be ofe.
Me say unim sa.
Okay.
Yeah,
minim asa de minim sa tu. Say madiga ka che. Minim sa pa.
Me bomb pa Monday.
And it was Sompa top 10 countdown so no was kakalika position number 2 race no no now chima akoma 23 ni yenko almighty position number
almighty no last week on one no that's raw this week we maintaining is the biggest song currently in Ghana and the title is biggest Nathaniel.
Wow. Yembo boy na bas last mate yembo na bas na adwuma strong Ghana music industry no but san music ni future e will race with
well
entimi che bebre race with
but me who say ebetimi achill go 4 weeks ni
On say
out of 4 no. Minim sad but out of 4 weeks no but top a chart twice.
Well.
Nti
landlord African ho ase ho emi won wa kran se oni fuse ODG won akobi osani shatter won akobi na currently oni drop nation e de akobi aba sanyo no de walai
the biggest Nathaniel there at least for bare 4 consecutive weeks they will be to me top.
Well, Mami Kati for Sompa top 10 countdown. Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Sompa Drive. Systematic press in your team Mike G Kaso Babe update yen. Ebe no bibi abua production. Never happy birthday Emma Man Kole.